Frank admissions, tensions and distrust among comrades have led to top secrets and confidential information being leaked.
How different are you from the fifth column that is infiltrated in an organization? You are an agent of somebody else in the organization. That's how serious it is. It doesn't mean that the sender is not holding. It means the sender is observing that there are many infiltrated individuals in a leadership structure.
Mantashe again lashed out at MPs who broke ranks and opted not to support the controversial Protection of State Information Bill in Parliament. But he stopped short of saying whether any action will be taken against them. The team looking into the viability of mine nationalization presented its report to the NEC, but has been asked to refine it.
We said to them, don't just write a blended report. Give us the case studies and say, in this country, this is what has happened. In this country, this is what has happened. In this country, this is what has happened. Then at the end, give us options.
The ANC will hold its crucial policy conference in June next year. All draft policy proposals are expected to be concluded by January to allow for discussions ahead of the conference. Tammy Dixon, SABC News, Johannesburg.